Hi, and today we're going to make this cardboard tube duck. First of all, cut a small piece off the end of the cardboard tube to make the beak. Now shape one end of the cardboard tube to make the beak. Now cut about a 10 centimetre piece from the leftover cardboard tube to make the duck's body. Now paint the inside and the outside of the cardboard tube with yellow paint and allow to dry. With orange paint, paint the inside and the outside of the duck's bill. When the paint is completely dried, glue on the bill with a hot glue gun. Now glue on the googly eyes and the feathers for the wings. There you go, you've finished making a duck. I hope you enjoyed this craft.